Ever felt that knot of anxiety in your stomach when you think about the security of your cryptocurrency? You're not alone. In a world teeming with digital assets, the question of where to safely store them is paramount. And that brings us to today's focus, Tangem, a hardware wallet making waves in the crypto space. But is it really a good crypto wallet for you? Before we dive deep, let's quickly recap why a hardware wallet even matters. Think of it as a heavily fortified vault for your digital gold. Unlike software wallets that live online and are susceptible to hacking, hardware wallets keep your private keys offline, drastically reducing the risk of unauthorized access. They act as a secure intermediary, allowing you to sign transactions without exposing your precious keys to the internet. Now, Tangem takes a slightly different approach to the traditional hardware wallet. Instead of a device with a screen and buttons, Tangem offers a sleek, credit card-sized device. This minimalist design immediately sparks curiosity. How does it work? What are the pros and cons of this unique form factor? One of the standout features of Tangem is its simplicity. Setting it up is remarkably straightforward. Using their mobile app, you essentially tap the card to your phone to initialize it. This process generates your private keys directly on the secure element within the card itself, never exposing them to your phone or any network. This ease of use is a significant advantage, especially for those new to the world of crypto hardware wallets who might find more complex devices intimidating. Security is, of course, the cornerstone of any crypto wallet. Tangem utilizes a certified secure element, a tamper-proof chip designed to protect sensitive information. The fact that the private keys are generated and stored offline within this secure element is a major plus. Furthermore, Tangem boasts open-source firmware, allowing the security community to scrutinize its code for any potential vulnerabilities. This transparency builds trust and adds an extra layer of security. Another compelling aspect of Tangem is its durability. Being a solid-state card, it's resistant to water and dust, making it more resilient than some of its screen-based counterparts. This robustness can be a significant advantage for users who are on the go or simply want a more physically resilient storage solution. However, Tangem's unique design also comes with certain considerations. Unlike hardware wallets with screens, you rely entirely on the Tangem app for transaction verification. While the app provides a clear overview of the transaction details, some users might prefer the added visual confirmation offered by a dedicated screen on the device itself. Furthermore, because it's a card, losing it could be a concern. While Tangem offers a multi-signature option allowing you to create backups across multiple cards, this adds to the initial cost and requires careful management of multiple physical cards. So, is Tangem a good crypto wallet? The answer, as with many things in the crypto world, isn't a simple yes or no. Tangem offers a compelling blend of security and user-friendliness in a unique and durable form factor. Its simple setup, robust security features, and open-source firmware are significant advantages. However, the reliance on the mobile app for transaction verification and the potential risk of losing the card are factors to consider. Ultimately, the goodness of Tangem as a crypto wallet depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you prioritize ease of use, a sleek design, and robust security in a durable package, Tangem is definitely worth considering. However, if you prefer the added visual confirmation of a screen or are particularly concerned about the physical security of a card, other hardware wallets might be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.